Hello everyone. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to create replaceable patterns of any color using masks in your material. You can use this on a character's body for tattoos or paint designs, on fabric for various embroidery patterns, on armor. Basically, on anything you can think of. It only takes a couple of steps and you'll have far more pattern variations than just a single texture. Or if you don't need any patterns at all, that's fine too. If you're interested, you can leave a comment or a like, and I'll show you how to create magical patterns, assuming I see enough interest from you. If not, I still have plenty of other things to show you. All right, let's begin. First, I'll show you an example of the pattern and how it should look. If you're not the model creator, for instance, maybe you purchased the model and want to add a pattern, just open it in any graphics editor. You won't need any textures. Fill the entire model with black. The pattern color must be pure red, 100% red, with no other shades. Of course, you can use other colors or even combine them. If that's something you want to learn, I can show you more complex options. But for now, let's start with a simple pattern. I'll quickly draw something to demonstrate, then export our texture as base color only. Back in Unreal Engine, let's name our textures properly, calling them ID. Go into the material and drag in our ID texture. Create a multiply node by pressing the M key on your keyboard and clicking anywhere in the graph. Connect the red channel and make sure it's the red channel to the A input of multiply. Next, create a scalar parameter by pressing the S key and name it power pattern. Connect it to the B input. Then create a lerp node by holding L and clicking. Immediately convert our ID texture into a parameter and call it ID pattern. Plug the multiply node into the alpha input of the lerp. After that, create a 3-vector node by pressing 3 on the keyboard and name it color pattern. Connect that to the B input of the lerp. The main object texture goes into the A input of the lerp. Finally, connect the lerp output to the base color of your material. Save everything and open your material instance. Now, in the power section, you can control how intense the pattern is. Under color, you can choose the color of the pattern. And by changing the texture and ID pattern, you can swap out different patterns on your character. That's a quick little lesson. Good luck with your projects. Hopefully this information was useful. Thank you for watching, and take care. See you in the next video.